So we are making some cornmeal porridge this morning, and this is all my ingredients. I have cornmeal, I have coconut milk, cinnamon sticks, condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. I have like 2 tablespoons of flour for my thickener, and I have my nutmeg, guys. So we are getting ready to do some cornmeal porridge. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour like, let's say 3 tablespoons of cornmeal in this little bowl right here, because I'm not making a lot, just a little. So you don't need more than that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix my cornmeal with some water to prevent it from being lumpy. So you're just going to mix it around like this, guys. So you see, we have to do that to prevent lumping. Let's pour a little more water there. So you see, guys, no lumps at this point. And we have to do this before we put it in the water. So for now, let's focus on the pot. I have my pot going here with about 1 cup of water, and it's boiling. So what I'm gonna do at this point is pour my mixed cornmeal in the water on the stove. So here we go. So you want to do that, and you want to stir. You don't want lumping. So we're going to stir that, and we're going to allow it to boil. Right? And now we're going to go ahead and put like a teaspoon of salt. You don't need a lot of salt. So this is the salt that we're putting there. And we're going to go ahead and stir. At this point, you want to keep your flame and medium. I think I need some more water, so I'm going to pour some more water, because our cornmeal needs to boil for at least 5 minutes. So let's pour the water there and let it do its thing. So we're going to allow that to boil, and while that is boiling, I'm going to prepare my flour, because I need my porridge with some body. I don't need it to be thin or too thick. I just need it to be right, like not too thick, not too thin. So let's leave that there to cook for some time. All right, let's go ahead and prepare our flour. So as you can see, our cornmeal is boiling nicely. So we're just going to go ahead and mix my flour. So I have like 1.5 tablespoons of flour here, and I'm just mixing it to take out the lumps. We don't want any lumps here. So you just mix it with a little water. And we are using the flour to give the cornmeal porridge some body, guys. We don't want it to be too watery. All right? It is optional. If you don't want to put flour, then it's fine. But as for me, I do not like it too thin. So this is actually my thickener. So now I'm going to go over to my stove. I'm going to pour my flour. So you guys have got to be fast about this. You don't want it to be lumpy. You have to be fast. We're just gonna do it like that, real quick. And I think I need some more water there. So I'm just gonna quickly get some water. And add it there. Because we need to allow the flour to boil also with the cornmeal. See? No lump. No lumps. So while you're pouring the flour, you have to quickly stir it, as you're gonna end it up with lumps all over. So you see that, guys? I'm not gonna put any more water there because I am going to use my coconut milk. All right, so let's just leave that to boil for another 5 minutes. So I have a few pieces of cinnamon sticks. I like to use the fresh cinnamon sticks. And I'm just going to put it there to boil along with my cornmeal and my flour. So you're going to just stir it. I'm also going to use some powdered cinnamon. But I like the stick inside there. I like the stick to boil along with the meal, cornmeal. Alright guys, so you see? It has some body to it. It's not runny, so we need to allow it to boil, and the more it boils, the thicker it's gonna get. All right guys, so you're gonna leave it there for now. Let it boil. Now I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get my coconut ready. I have Grace coconut milk. You don't have to put coconut milk. You can use evaporated milk or the condensed milk, just like that. But I like the taste of coconut milk. But guys, you know, you can't go wrong with coconut. I feel like everything you put coconut milk into, it's on another level. So I'm just gonna go ahead, open my coconut can, and I'm gonna pour my coconut milk in there and allow it to boil with my cornmeal and flour. So let's just put half a can, because remember we're gonna use the condensed milk also. So let's just put half a can for now. If we need some more, then we'll add it. So at this point, this is what's gonna serve as our water. We're not gonna put any water there. We're just gonna put the coconut milk if we need some more. See, this is a nice consistency. See, not too runny. Nice. See, nice, pretty, and I guarantee you this is gonna be delicious. So at this point we have our cornmeal and flour boiling with a little salt, like a teaspoon of salt. We have the cinnamon stick, which is this guy right here, and we just pour some coconut milk. That's it for now, guys. So let's give it some more time to boil, because we need to allow the coconut, the cornmeal and the flour to boil a little. So guys, this is an easy breakfast right here. Cornmeal is good for you. It cleans and builds your system. My mother used to tell me that. You drink cornmeal porridge. I remember when I was pregnant, when I had my baby, my first child, I used to get up every morning and I made a pot of cornmeal porridge. And that's what I drank all day. And man, I had so much milk, breast milk. I'm telling you, if you having problems with not having enough milk in your breast to feed your baby, get up in the morning, make a pot of this cornmeal porridge and drink it throughout the day, and you're gonna have so much milk. Trust me, I mean, it worked for me. So try it and you let me know. This is one of Jamaica's breakfasts, guys. Cornmeal porridge. It is very popular in Jamaica. I remember my mother used to make this every morning, whether you like it or not. So let's give it like 2 more minutes. So my cornmeal porridge is boiling now for about a good 10 minutes, guys. So we are moving to the next phase. We are going to sweeten our porridge, and we're also gonna put in our spices. So I have nutmeg here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grate some of my nutmeg. And at this point, I lower the flame very low. So low. You can also turn it off at this point, because the cornmeal and the flour is boiled. So we're gonna grate. I don't know how much spice you love. You put whatever spice you want in your porridge. It's up to you. So our nutmeg is in. Let's put some cinnamon powder. Even though we had the cinnamon stick there, it's okay. So we're just gonna put just a little, half a teaspoon. You can also put vanilla in it, guys. I don't have any vanilla, but you can put it there. Put whatever spice you want. Look, take a look at this, guys. You see the consistency? Not too runny, not too thick. That's why you make porridge. I don't know, some people probably like it runny. But I think this is how it should be. Alright, so now let's move on to our condensed milk. This is the condensed milk I'm using, the ShopRite brand. It doesn't matter what brand. So we're just gonna open like this. And we're gonna go ahead and pour our milk. So you're gonna sweeten to your taste, guys. If you don't like it too sweet, then you sweeten it the way you want it. All right, I don't like it too sweet. So while pouring the milk, you go ahead and you stir. See that, guys? So let me tell you a little bit about porridge. At this point, go ahead and do everything that you have to do in terms of flavoring and all that, because porridge is a meal that will turn to water if you continue going in and, you know, interfering, stirring and all of that. It turns watery for some reason. Once you sweeten and all of that, leave it alone unless you're pouring some to drink. Don't go in there every time with the spoon messing around. Sweeten and leave alone. because, man, it will liquefy for some reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste my porridge to see if it's to my liking in terms of sweetness. So I'm just gonna take my little spoon over here and taste. Guys, it needs some more milk. So we're gonna pour some more. I think I need probably half a can. This is a small pot of porridge, guys. So stir. So the spices are on point. We just need to sweeten some more. That's it. And right now I'm at half a can of milk. It's coming out very slow. So you get the idea, guys. So I see you with the finished look, because at this point the only thing I'm doing here is sweetening. So guys, take a look at the porridge. Take a look at this. OMG, look. Isn't that nice? Isn't that creamy and nice? Right consistency. I went ahead and taste, and it's okay in terms of sweetness and flavor. But I like a lot of nutmeg in my porridge, so I'm going to just go ahead and grate some more in my porridge. I like the taste of nutmeg. And that's it, guys. We are done. So we're going to just go ahead, turn the flame off, and we are getting ready to plate. I am going to pour you a nice bowl of cornmeal porridge with coconut milk and all those good flavors like the nutmeg, the cinnamon. And there you have it, guys. Right consistency, not too runny, not too thick. So guys, stay with me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, touch up the notification so you can be notified when I upload. So it's very important to me, guys. I need your comment. So let's go ahead and dish you out a hefty bowl of cornmeal porridge. Take a look at that, guys. So cinnamon stick is there. Take a look at that. Isn't that a beauty? What do you think? Say it in the comment, guys. I need your comment. Very important. Let YouTube know if I'm doing a good job by like, sharing, and all of those good things. Nice hot porridge. Guys, you can eat this with, in Jamaica we drink our porridge with the hard dough bread. If you can get the hard dough bread, I'm telling you, nice combination with your cornmeal porridge. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, share it, comment, and all those good things. Bye for now.